All right, we're gonna try and get this next shingle in, but we have to lift this one to get these nails in, and then this one to get those nails in. So let's see. Let's just tack this in place for the moment. And now let's try this upper row and see kind of see, it's already bending the shingle and I can barely get in there. Let's try and loosen some more of these ridge cap real quick though. Looks like some of them might be in the way. No nail there, yeah, nail there. Alright, that gives it some loosey-goosey room. That one's already up. Alright, so we got all the loosey-goosey room we need. Let's see. Try to be gentle here. So not even 90 degrees, just a 45. And look, already cracked that shingle again on that dragon's tooth. Barely getting enough clearance. And remember, this one also still needs to be replaced because of that big blow through right there. But now I need to replace this one. And then that's the last one even left here on this slope. So you can see how it's just creating subsequent damage to subsequent courses here as we go up the roof trying to get these shingles in. I should not be able to do this. All right.